In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email notifications in Smartsheet. We'll walk through a simple, step-by-step process so that Smartsheet can automatically email you or your team whenever something changes in your sheet. This is really helpful for staying on top of updates without constantly refreshing or checking manually. First, make sure you're signed into your Smartsheet account. From the main Smartsheet home screen, look for the option labeled Browse. Go ahead and click on Browse. This opens up a view of your different workspaces, folders, and sheets, making it easier to find the project you want to work with. Next, from the list that appears, select the project that contains the sheet you want to set up notifications for. This might be a workspace or a folder where your project is stored. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the right project, especially if you manage multiple ones. Once you're inside that project, you'll see a list of sheets. Click on the specific sheet where you want email notifications to be triggered. This will open the sheet in grid view by default, which is where you can see your rows, columns, and data. At the top of the sheet, look for the toolbar and find the option labeled Automation. Click on Automation. This is where Smartsheet stores all of the workflow tools that can send alerts, update requests, and other automated actions. When the automation menu opens, choose the option that says Create from Template. Using a template is a fast way to get started because Smartsheet provides ready-made workflows you can customize instead of building everything from scratch. In the list of templates, look for the one called Alert Someone When Anything Changes and click on it. This template is designed to send an email notification whenever any change is made on your sheet, such as an updated cell, a new row, or an edited value. After selecting that template, click on Use Template. Smartsheet will now create a draft workflow for you based on those settings. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be guided through choosing who should receive the alert, what kinds of changes should trigger the email, and how often those alerts should be sent. Take your time to review each option so the notifications are as specific as you need them to be.